This Excel file looks perfectly fine, but it's hiding pricing errors that can quietly cost thousands. Most businesses rely on spreadsheets like this for pricing, revenue, and reporting. But small mistakes duplicate prices, outliers, inconsistent values often go unnoticed. Instead of manually checking hundreds of rows, I let AI scan the entire spreadsheet in seconds. Here's the exact prompt I use. AI immediately flags multiple problems. Some products have different prices for the same item. There are extreme outliers that don't match the normal pricing range, and duplicate rows that inflate revenue totals. These aren't just spreadsheet issues. They affect profit reports, pricing decisions, and financial trust. Fixing them early can save real money. If you work with Excel or Google Sheets, AI can help you spot problems you'd normally miss. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.